Welcome to this 5-minute deep breathing exercise for anxiety relief. In this exercise, we will use a specific breathing technique to help lower anxiety and improve how we feel. This technique, the Physiological Sigh, has recently been shown in a study by Melis Balban et al. And popularized by Andrew Huberman to reduce anxiety and improve mood when done for 5 minutes per day for at least 30 days. This type of breathing focuses on taking 2 breaths in and then having a nice, long exhale through your mouth. This balance is important because when we breathe in, our heart rate increases. When we breathe out, our heart rate decreases. Oftentimes with anxiety, we might notice our heart rate getting faster and faster. Naturally then, we want to exhale longer than we inhale so that it can help lower our heart rate and reduce anxiety. I'll walk you through the breathing technique and then we'll move into the practice. This will be a 3-step process. Focus on the instructions, don't practice just yet. First, breathe in through your nose. Next, when your lungs have filled, take another breath in through your nose to expand your lungs as much as possible. Thirdly, exhale through your mouth slowly until you've exhaled fully. This process can take some getting used to, so I'll repeat the instructions again and you can practice this time. First, breathe in through your nose. When your lungs have filled, take a second, deeper breath in through your nose to expand your lungs as much as possible. Thirdly, exhale through your mouth slowly until all the air is gone. Use my voice as gentle nudges when moving through the exercise, but feel free to breathe at a pace that feels right for you. And please be kind to yourself as you learn this technique. And now, take this time to find a comfortable seated position. Allow your body to slowly settle in. And offer yourself permission to connect with this exercise today. I'll walk you through the breaths in the beginning and then taper off as the exercise progresses. When you're ready, let's begin. Breathe in through your nose for the first breath. Inhale again through your nose for the second sip of air. Good, and now slowly breathe out through your mouth. And breathe in. And breathe in again through your nose. And now slowly breathe out through your mouth. And breathe in. Breathe in again. Good, and now breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe in again. And now breathe out. In. In. Out. In. In. Out. In. in, out, in, 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 in, out, like a gentle breeze. May peace be with you in this moment. As we come to the end of this exercise, gently bring your attention back to your body. Notice where it's in contact with the world around you. Carry this sense of inner peace and calm with you throughout your day. Remember, practicing 5 minutes of this type of breathing every day for at least a month can be enough to see measurable improvements to anxiety and mood. You can return to this video daily to help with this practice. Thank you for being here today. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for what type of video you want to see next.